Good day everyone, I'm your Mr. ATL and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, ipapakita natin ngayon ang mga presentation ng aking mga students. Ito ay tungkol sa evaluating functions and operations on functions. So let's start!
If h of m is equals to 5m squared minus 2m plus 7, which among the given statement is true? So to find the true statement, we need to do a trial and error. So we will going to solve for the letter A, which is h0 is equals to 3. Then copy the problem. H of m is equals to 5m squared minus 2m plus 7. Then substitute the given value. 5 multiplied by 0 squared minus 2 times 0 plus 7. Then evaluate the exponent. 0 times 0 is equals to 0 times 5 is equals to 0. Negative 2 times 0 is equals to 0. Then plus 7. Then 0 plus 0 plus 7 is equals to 7. And the total does not correct the total of letter A. So which means this statement is not true. Letter A is not true. Then let's solve for the letter B, which is h negative 1 is equals to 14. Then copy the problem. Substitute the given value, which is negative 1. So 5 times negative 1 squared minus 2 times negative 1 plus 7. Evaluate the exponent. Negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1 because they have same sign. So positive 1 times 5 is equals to 5. Then negative 2 times negative 1 is equals to positive 2 because they have the same sign. So positive plus 2 and bring down 7. Then add 5 plus 2 is equals to 7 plus 7 is equals to 14. So 14 is the same to the equal of letter B. So the correct statement or the true statement is letter B.
Given that fx is equals to 3x minus 5, which of the following statement is or are true? Our first statement is f8 is equals to 19. The first step, you need to copy the given number, which is 3x minus 5, and then after that you will substitute the x, which is 8, and then the third step is you will multiply the first term, which is 3 and 8, and after that you will bring down the product, which is 3 times 8 is equals to 24, bring down the operation used, and then the second term, 24 minus 5 is equals to 19, which make this statement is true. So we are at our second statement, which is f 3x is equals to 9x minus 7. The first step you need is to copy the given number, which is 3x minus 5, and then after that you will substitute the x, which is 3x. The third step is you will multiply the first term, which is 3 by 3x, will lead us to 9x, copy the minus sign, and then the second term, which leads us to the answer, which is 9x minus 5. So this, which we are at our last term, which is f negative 7 is equals to negative 26. The first step you need is to copy the given number, which is 3x minus 5, and then after that you will substitute the x, which is negative 7. And the third step is you will multiply the first term, which is 3, multiplied by negative 7, which will lead you to negative 21. copy the operation used, which is minus, and then bring down the second term, which is 5. Negative 21 minus 5 will lead you to answer that to negative 26, which make this last statement true.
Our given is f of x is equal to 3x plus 4, g of x is equal to 5x squared minus 7, h of x is equal to 9x plus x squared. Our problem is to find h of 10. First, we need to copy this. H of x is equal to 9x plus x squared. Then, we need to substitute the x into 10. H of x is equal to 9 by 10 plus 10 squared. Then, we need to multiply 9 by 10. And that is 90. Next, we need to simplify 10 squared. 10 times 10, that is 100. Our last step is to add 90 plus 10. And that is 190.
Let's solve the problem. So, problem number 2. Find f plus g minus h, then 2. So, this is my way to solve the problem. So, I will start with f of x. So, f of x is equals to 3x plus 4. So, I change the value of x is equals to 2. So, 3 times 2 plus 4. So, next is equals to 6 plus 4. Then, f of 2 is equals to 10. Next is g. G of x is equals to 5x squared minus 7. So, I change the value of 2. So, 5 multiplied by 2 squared minus 7. So, I squared it. So, 5 multiplied by 4 minus 7. So, 20 minus 7 is equals to 30. H of x is equals to 9x plus x squared. So, I change the value of x equals to 2. So, 9 multiplied by 2 plus 2 squared. So, 9 multiplied by 2 is equals to 18. Then, 2 squared is equals to 4. So, 18 plus 4 is equals to 22. F plus g minus h is equals to 19. So, I change the value of these 3. So, f is equals to 10. So, g is equals to 13. Then, h is equals to 22. So, 10 minus 13 plus 22 is equals to 19. So, that's it.
So let's find g of 5 minus f plus h of 0. 5, and then let 5 be the value of x. So making 5 to the second power minus 7 minus. Now let 0 be the value of x. So 3 multiplied by 0 plus 4, then plus. So again, let 0 be the value of x. So magiging 9, 0 plus, let 0 be the value of x to the second power. Now, so bring down 5, i-multiply muna natin to. So, 5 to the second power is equals to
25 minus 7. Then, minus any numbers multiplied by 0 is equals to 0. So, magiging 0 plus 4 plus, again, any numbers multiplied by 0 is equals to 0. So, magiging 9 multiplied by 0 is equals to 0. And 0 raised to any positive power is equals to 0. So, magiging 0. Next. So, first, let's simplify this. So, 5 multiplied by 25 is equals to 125. Bring down negative 7. Then, 0 plus 4 is equals to positive 4. Then, dahil 0 plus 0 is equals to 0, tatanggalin na natin siya. Okay. So, next, 125 minus 7 is equals to 118. Bring down negative 4. Then, 118 minus 4 is equals to 114. So, therefore, g of f minus f plus h of 0 is equals to 114.
Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoy learning about this topic, and before I end up my video, I would like to give my special thanks to these students, and I hope you learned something. Goodbye!